In 2026, a new chapter in aviation will take off, literally. Introducing the Emotion aircraft, a next-gen electric flying machine built for the skies of tomorrow. This is no pipe dream.
You can put your briefcase here. You've even got space for some luggage. And lands vertically like a helicopter.
Emotion aircraft, founded in Munich in 2021, has been quietly shaping the future of air mobility since 2017. The full-scale prototype is nearly complete, and in 2026, it's officially set to launch. Global rollout? Mark your calendars for 2027. Designed for one pilot and one passenger, Emotion is a sleek, fully electric VTOL capable of cruising at 250 km per hour with a range of 600 km. But here's the twist, it's not just VTOL. With conventional takeoff and landing capabilities, it offers the best of both worlds. The secret? A patent-pending tilting mechanism that transitions from hover to forward flight with ultra-smooth control and ultra-low drag. Lightweight, yet strong. Thanks to a 90% carbon fiber airframe, Emotion weighs just 380 kilograms, giving it an excellent strength-to-weight ratio. Power comes from 16 electric motors, each independently managed for high redundancy. Lose a motor? No panic. The rest keep you airborne. Control is fully fly-by-wire, with precise, real-time flight management, no cables, just smooth digital response. This machine is packed with smart, aviation-grade tech. Taxi and landing headlights for visibility in all conditions. Fully automated gull-wing doors, just step in and go. 5-blade propellers, optimized for lift and efficiency. A spacious cockpit with a wide panoramic view. Advanced aerodynamic shape that's sleek, efficient, and fast. 16 electric motors fed by lithium-ion battery packs with smart distribution and rapid charging. A unique tilting propulsion system for seamless transition between hover and cruise. Navigation light winglets, charging ports, and even a retractable tailwheel for minimal drag. Air inlets for cooling the battery system, plus a dedicated baggage compartment. And of course, zero emissions, whisper-quiet operation, and unmatched redundancy in its class. It's clean, it's quiet, it's powerful, and it turns heads on the tarmac and in the sky. Get ready for a revolution in personal flight. The Emotion aircraft is launching in 2026, because the future of travel, it's not on the road, it's in the sky.